Today's our topic is the banking chapter 2b. Last time I told you that the formula of the maturity value is equal to principal into the number of month plus the interest, and interest is equal to principal into interval of months into plus 1 over 2 into 12 into r over 100. Same formula you can directly use the formula of the interest here also. Our first question is Ritu has a RD account in a bank and deposited rupees 80 mean installment in 1 month. You can relate P rupees 80. Let rate of interest is R% per annual, and the interval of the time is, you can write T or N, no problem, 18 month, and our maturity value is 1554 rupees. Use the formula. P is our 80 into N is our 18 plus 80 into 18 plus 119 over 2 into 12 into R over 100 is equal to 155 and 4. Then you can cut it to 9, 3 3 9, 4 12, 4 20. 20 by the 2500. Then this is 1440 plus 19357 over 5R is equal to 1554. 57 over 5R is equal to 1154 minus 1440. R is 411 into 5 over 57. 1, 2. R is 10% per annual is your answer. On the same way, question number 3 in the last one we found the rate of interest, but in this question we will find the number of months. So then the same third question is there, the maturity value of RD account is rupees 16,176. If the maturity is monthly installment is rupees 400. Let time is, you can consider N. Then the rate of interest is 8% per annual, and the maturity value is given to us 16176 rupees. So here you can use the same formula. Maturity value is principal into time plus principal into time into n plus 1 over 2 into 12 into 8 over 100 is equal to 16176. 0 0 4 3 2 4. Here left 400n plus 4 over 3 into n plus 1 into n is equal to 16176. Open the bracket and also cross multiply with the 3 on the both sides. Then this will be 1200n plus 4n square plus 4n is equal to 3 6 18 7 21 22 3 5 6 4 8 and 5 2 8. Take this one side, 4n square plus 4n plus 12. 104n minus 48528 is equal to 0. Here you can take the common 4 from the all and each and every one. It will be n square plus 301n minus 12132 is equal to 0. Now you have to find the two numbers whose sum is 301 and the product is 12132. These are the two numbers are n square plus 337n minus 36n minus 12132 is equal to 0. Then took the n common, n plus 37 minus then 36 n plus 337 is equal to 0. If these two numbers are same, it means your factorization is correct. Then it will be 337 into n minus 36 is equal to 0. N will be equal to minus 337 and the 30. The months are not in negative value, so we will cancel this one, and then the number of month is 36. Mean we can say for 3 years is your answer.